Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the units on the My Audi application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on this profile button down below on the right side of the screen. Tap on account settings in the settings section, and then click on tap on app settings in the settings section, and then click on units, which is the second option. Here you can find a bunch of features such as unit system, so you can set it to metric or imperial, so tap on the relevant one. You can set the temperature unit, consumption of electric motor, and consumption of combustion engine. So tap on the relevant ones and then just tap on this button on the right side, on the left side of the screen, and then everything will be changed automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.